Hello guys, this is Frank, the Anointed FX, and this is our normal weekly outlook on the currency pairs, meta, indices, and cryptocurrencies. Okay, this is disclaimer, guys. This channel is for only this channel is for educational purposes only, and all videos, presentations, and writing are only for educational purposes and are not intended as investment advice. You can implement this while trading at no risk after you have consulted your financial advisor. So, guys, it is very, very advisable to to trade, especially learn risk management. And that is why our academy came, but they have closed, the session has closed. So we have already started we'll be starting our tutorial next month, March. So you can still contact me if you want to join, but I don't see it. It's no longer open like that. But if you want to join, you can still contact me. Okay, guys. So let's move on to the business of the day. This is the SY dollar index. Dollar index is a currency that measures uh, the strength of dollar. The strength of dollar. It measures the strength of dollar. So guys, looking at it, the three charts. What I'm expecting is a sell, but I'm expecting a correction, even up to this very point. I'm expecting here. You may see an close of this fair value gap by next week, then up and taking away some liquidity that is line follow here. This very place, this very candle. So I suspect that markets may come there before a sell will come. It may come and end here and then pull back and drop, or it may break this lowest current low and then drop. So that is what I am expecting in dollar in this next week. Because why did I expect so? When you look at this whole movement, what do you see? It doesn't look like an impulse movement. It doesn't look like an A, B, C. Do you see that? That's what it look like. So that is why I will not be in a hurry to sell. Unless here is taken out. Once here is taken out, and I start looking for a sell. But if it decided to reverse in between this, maybe you come here, I wanted to reverse from here. I won't sell from here. Wait till you break this low. Then when it corrects, I'll not sell. If you break this low, this very low, and then if you call this dollar in this, move on. Just like the line this, you know what I told you about euro US dollar? It's an inverse of the line this. Just what the line this is doing. This one is doing it inversely. So when you look at it, you discover that the buying, the bullish I was expecting, did not give me what I wanted, because last week when I was seeing this kind of movement, I know that the bullish have no strength. I saw this movement and I saw this one. Well, this movement is supposed to be sharp and efficient, but it was like drawing back. So I see that it is not ready. So what am I expecting? What am I expecting in this pair? Well, simple. I'm expecting a correction to fill this gap and then a drop. Drop may come below here before move will come. Or drop may come here and then reverse, or come here. Anywhere the drop comes, the strongly suspect that it's going to come below here, or it may come and end here. Looking at this may be A, maybe B, and then C. So it may come here or below here. So anyone, everything will be updated on the Telegram channel. So if you're not there, channel. So the same goes to this Great Britain. Great Britain, US dollar. Great Britain, US dollar. Looking at it, you will discover that it's going to be a correction. Remember that this place last week video, I said I wanted to see to close this fair value gap. Close this fair value gap. So there is every tendency that that is going to, first of all, it's supposed to come up here, pick order here, then close this gap. It may continue moving, or when you close this gap drop. So any which one, either it close the gap here and continue, or close gap, come here and a drop. So once the market is changing, everything will be updated in our Telegram channel. So if you are there, you know how it is there. Which pair is this? Okay, this is New Zealand. This is New Zealand dollar, US dollar. Looking at New Zealand dollar, what I see is a drop below here. Why? Looking at it, you can see a correction. This is like A. This is like 4, 5. So I marked the exact place because I need it to be coming. Think out of the data integration and so I will necessarily video will not be too long. Let's meet it out in the integration and I will update the exact place that will be coming. That is all for this guy. Okay, this is um the same um uh, the partner of New Zealand, which is Australian dollar. So the Australian dollar, the same thing. You can see that clearly. You can see the movement, how it look like. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's coming below that place. That's what I expected. So if we I expected to close this gap by next week and then continue dropping. So next week maybe closing the gap before I continue dropping. Which one is this? Okay, you can see how I focused this one last week. It's going to come up and it's coming up already. I expected to close the gap because there is an order block and there is a big fair value gap. So I expected to react from this order block, not this one. This very order block, this daily order block, it's going to react from it. It's going to give us a reaction from it. And the reaction may be different. It may come below here or it may come below here, depending. So, but I expected it to react from that place. If you're looking at this movement as a whole, it doesn't look like an impulse. It looks exactly like a correction movement. This will face, this is A, B, A, B, C. So what you see, it looks like an impulse. It look like it look like a correction, just like let's give me an example. A, B, and C. So that's what it look like. So there's every tendency that is going to break up here before a drop, but it will react. It must react from this other block. It may react so small here, react not here, somewhere here, then continue going up. You understand now? React there and then continue going up to this place. And this is what we may see from US dollar Swiss francs. So we drop the every detail Telegram channel. Okay, this one I was buying this one already. I made a mistake in this. I made a mistake. Even in my trading group, I made a mistake here. We are supposed to put the stop loss. I didn't speculate it well, and the thing went and hit my stop loss before I start going. And some of the trades I didn't put stop loss. Some I put stop loss. So the one that I put stop loss hit stop loss, and the one I don't put stop loss was in profit. So stop loss here is supposed to be below this place. So I'm really sorry for anybody that should take the signal and lose from that. But it's coming up already. This is divergence. It's a very big divergence. So I expect it to come up to the very place, even to here before a drop. So remember that this is a confirmation line and it has come to that line. Uh, break this low, even though that is sweep it. It didn't break it, it just swept the low. So it's going to come up. It's going to come up. But that coming up will not be that impulsive movement because looking at it, what it moved on Thursday and Friday, you can see the way it was moving. It's not that impulsiveness, but it's going to come up at least here before and then give us when you get here, give us a correction, then it continue to here, give us another correction, then final. It may not come do this one, it may do only this one, and then from here find its way. So that is what I expecting on this pair. US dollar, Japanese yen. Right now, from just Thursday, I've been buying it. The same go with this one. You can see the triangle I showed you last 2 weeks. They've been following this chart, following the channel A, B, C, D, E. Let me label it because it seems that the triangle is now coming out D and E. So what I expected in this pair, ready to come up from this very, we did the first impulse and it came back clear the low. So it's ready to come up again to this place. But they're coming up will be somehow just like this one. So we're looking forward to buying it next week. Next week, some yarn pair will giving us a great bullish momentum. Okay, this is Japanese yen, Great Britain Japanese yen. You can see where I marked it for a buy and it came to that order block, peak order, and it's going up. So what am I expecting? I'm expecting to come up to this village face and give me another move. Just like this, just like what the other one is doing. It's almost the same thing. A, B, C, D, and E. Then boom, up again. So that is what I expected in this Great Britain. Yeah, but the main focus now is not this thing. The main focus is this movement that will be coming next week and upper week. Look at it. This movement. So focus there. I'll be buying it next week and I will share it with my VIP signals and my mentees as we make profit together. So this is US 30. This is US 30 in this. Well, I expect US 30 in this to meet me to come to this very point. Then react. So that's what I expect in this US start. Looking at this impulse movement, this is wave A, this is wave B, and I expect wave C to come and give us a very good buy setup. And it can last for a very long time. Okay, this is of course you know the last week video of this Nasdaq. Yeah, I said it to drop to this very line. And that is what I'm expecting. There is another block here waiting. And you have not come to that place. So this kind of movement is just like an engineer liquidity. So the market take the liquidity that is here and it's coming up, but there's another liquidity line fellow here which market must pick in order to get strength for buying. Of course, you know that this is a correction. Elliott wave flat correction. Can you see that? So that's what I'm expecting in Nasdaq. So let's go over to this is DEX German DEX German DEX. So I'm going German DEX to give me a this is A, this is B. I to give me a with C at and if I couldn't get it, then if we break it up here, once it has broken, then I'll look for buy up. I'll look for a buy up. But if you can give me that down below here, it will be a very sweet buy. That is all for DEX. Okay, this is wow. You can see that. You can see that. This is Australian dollar Japanese yen. You can see the channel 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the wave 5 or wave 5. So what are we expecting? A very bullish up movement that will tear this up, this fourth wave apart, and came to this place to pick some order to drop. So that is what I'm expecting. So from next week, I'll be looking for a buy setup. Buy setup may be there if you go down to Blanc time frame. I didn't pay attention to it today because I was somehow busy. So next week we'll be looking to buy it in our Telegram channel. So this is good. Good. There was a two analysis ago. First one was to complete trade here to make an extra. Second one was to dip to this place, and you can see good dip to that place to give us with 4. So here is with 3, and here. So, but I think gold is not yet over. It's going to correct small and then drop more. It's going to drop more, especially. What am I expecting gold? That's this kind going to correct very to this place and give us another drop to here before buy continues to the very point. That is what I'm expecting in gold by next week. So This is what do they call it? And this is saver. So I was expecting saver to give me a correction from this very marked area, but the market decided to break the low and come down. So what am I expecting? The selling has not ended. I expected it to come up a little bit to here or even to this place. There's other block there. Then give me a down movement to here before buy will come. That's what I'm expecting in this sale. Because when you look at it, it looks like this full place is a correction. You will put a dot that is going to look at it. You see something, huh? ABC. So let's say whole collection there. So I'm expecting to going to be a B. It's going to be a C. I am expecting in the silver approach. The market decided to come. Market decided to come to this very place and pick some order because looking at it, you can see very few paper gap and you can see an what do you call it? Inducement. You know that I have an ICT, I have an Elliott web knowledge and ICT knowledge. So I combine the both in getting a perfect entry. So even if I want to trade this saver, I would like it to break this, take this liquidity and take this liquidity, then have confidence to place a very big lot size to trade it. That is all for that. BTC. Okay, Bitcoin. As I told you earlier, the bullishness of Bitcoin has ended. So when you look at Bitcoin, you can see something there. What do you see? Look at the Bitcoin. This is wave 5. This is wave 3. This is wave 4. This is wave 1. This is wave 2. So what do you see now in Bitcoin? This is the weekly chart too. You can see what I'm seeing. Do you see what I'm seeing? Do you see something there? So Bitcoin has completed 5 week structure. You can see that any don't buy deep. Like people will say, buy the deep, buy the deep. No, don't buy any deep. If you buy deep, you will lose money. So don't try and be looking for deep to buy. So what I would advise crypto enthusiast guys that wanted to invest in crypto and make some money by knowledge, by experience in crypto. I've been in crypto world since 2017. The first crypto bullish to $19,000, I was there. The second one to $60,000, I was there. This is the third one. So by that knowledge, I came to realize that after the bullish year, it takes crypto 2 years to correct. So from now, 2025 to 2026 December, yeah, crypto is going to correct and it's going to correct so deeply, even to this very point. Just this place, just mark this place. So it may come to this very point between here and here. So this is place sees at your as your buying investment point. Although do your own research though, because according to my personal experience, give you some clue how you can get into crypto by next year. So see this place now. See this place that I marked. Uh, no, this one is too expensive. Still expensive. Okay, just forget about this. Forget about this one. This see the place I marked 78.65%. That's about $35,000. So this crypto that is see $100,000, we correct to $35,000. But this correction will not happen in 1 year. It will take up to 2 years. So if you have money for crypto, just invest in another thing. You may fix it in your bank for 2 years, then come back December 2026. December what? 2026. Then just save this video. December 2026. Then give me a testimony because it's going to come there. And from there, you will now invest for another bull run that will come up on 2028, where you will make so much cash. The same goes with Ethereum. Ethereum itself did not even break the up here. It did not even make new high. So I was disappointed in this. It didn't make no high. So I expected it to dip below here. It may break below this place, break here before the next bull run. So that is what I expected it to because it did not do well. Okay, this is Solana. Solana making new high after making the first high last 4 years, 2021. That's 2025. It make another high 296. So it did try, Joe. You can see the dip. Look at what it dipped. So now we dip so much. So I also learned how to dip again. But this time around, it's going to dip again. So now we're going to not expected that it's going to dip again. And it has begun already. So if you are thinking of buying it now, you see that it's too early to buy. Looking at what happened the previous time, see the bullishness, see what happened, see another bullishness, see what happened, see what could happen. So I just learn how to dip very deep to here. It may come back to the current to this very place before bullishness will come again. So the bull run will come again starting from 2027. So I expect Solana to be, if I want to invest in Solana, I would say this very, come to this very point. That is when I will start investing from $58 to $40 to $50. Then I'll start putting my money in Solana for future going down because they must correct repo. Repo, one of the coin that I was expected to do so much well because previous bull run did not go anywhere. Why? Because of the court cases and the rest of them. But when they win their court cases, you can see the movement that happened in repo. So expect it for the next bull run to give us a very, very powerful bull run. I don't think I have anything to say for this pair. I think that is okay for cryptos. This is this is this is Great Britain Australian dollar. So even though I expected to come to this point to give us a good position to enter bullish, but the currency decided to fly up here. So what am I expecting here? Very simple. A correction to this point, then boosh. That's what I'm expecting. Same thing goes here. I'm expecting a correction. Expecting a correction. A very good correction that will give me an avenue. A correction that will come close to that place before I buy. Not even close. I'll be close. Let me check. Let me check. Okay. Did not close it. That is a liquidity that's lying. That's lying there on a daily chart. So I expect the market to close before going up. But it didn't close it. So I think this bullishness is a trap. And by next week or by upper week, you may see it coming back to close it. Then boom. And what I expected. Okay, this is a great time frame. Week. So all my situation here did not play it out. You can see that these Asian coins, these Asian currencies become so weak. They become so weak. They couldn't pull down the the European currencies. So what am I expecting in this pair? I'm expecting it to come back to here, but it's going to take time. Close some imbalances, come to this place and then pick order. This sell is going to be sweet, but it's very watchful upon this place because it's going to come there. Once it come there, this place will be an inducement and it's going to pick order. It may take 1 month before it come there or more than 1 month. So it's not something of now. Pie, pie. Pie that we might finish. I mind this pie finish. My own is locked to 2027. I was very angry. I don't know what to do because if I sell my pie, I have almost 1,100 pie coins, but I couldn't do anything. I couldn't do anything. What will I do? He has been, my own is locked to 2027, so I can't do anything. So what am I feeling this pie? I'm going to say, of course, the rumor of Binance listening to make it to be going up. Once Binance lists it, it is going to crash down. Okay, that is end of this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. And remember to subscribe if you have not subscribed, and give us a thumb like. Click the bell icon to receive our video whenever we drop, and also share the video around. Tell somebody to say someone. You can always comment and ask questions. You can ask questions in the comment section. You can ask questions for me to analyze any pair you want. I will do that. So thank you guys for watching. Bye for now.